I'm Romita. Let's discuss Class 10th English, Chapter 1, First Flight, A Letter to God, written by J.L. Fuentes. Faith. I'm sure you have heard about that word. Faith can move mountains. आस्था पर्वत हिला सकती है, लेकिन हमें किस पर विश्वास करना चाहिए ये किस पर नहीं. You will study all these things in this chapter. Main character of the story is Lencho. Lencho, a hard-working farmer. Other characters are Lencho, his family members, wife and children, postman and postmaster. These are the characters of the story. Let's start with the summary of that chapter. The chapter starts with the Lencho's house description. Lencho was dwelling in the top of the hill, and it was the only house where he was dwelling. From his house, he could see the river and his ripe corn fields. One day, he was waiting for the downpour or a shower. Shower means light rainfall की वो उम्मीद कर रहा था, but it happened with the downpour. क्या हुआ? Downpour हुआ, heavy rain हो गई. And on that day, Lencho told his family members that this rain is a new coins for him. And soon that rainfall, down rainfall, converted into the hailstorm. Hailstorm means ओलों में बदल गए. वो सारी बारिश ओलों में बदल गई. And Lencho was very astonished. And Lencho was initially astonished and converted into the worriedness. Now Lencho was worried about his field. Lencho was expecting that whole hailstorm will quickly pass on, move on, but that hailstorm doesn't move on. And the field converted into the white salt. The field was looking like it was covered with the white salt. And Lencho was worried about his family. लेंचो अब बहुत डर गया था अपनी फैमिली के बारे में सोचकर कि इस ओलो ने उसकी सारी फसल खराब कर दी है. अब उसकी फैमिली कैसे सरवाइव करेगी. तभी उसने सोचा कि क्या करे. Nobody was there to help him. कोई भी नहीं था जो उसकी हेल्प करता. He has only one hope. His only hope was God. उसकी सिर्फ एक ही होप था, एक ही उम्मीद थी, गॉड. तो वो गॉड को उसने सोचा कि गॉड से मदद मांगता हूं, और उसने सोचा कि मैं लेटर के द्वारा उससे उनसे मदद मांगूंगा. सो his firm faith forced him to write a letter, and he writes a letter to God. We all have faith in God, so we write. Do we write letter to God? No, but his firm faith, Lencho's firm faith, forced him to write the letter to God, and he writes the letter to God. This is the main theme of the chapter. This is the chapter name, A Letter to God, and he writes a letter to God. Lencho writes a letter to God, and what he was demanding. Now he has demanded in his letter 100 pesos from God. Pesos is the currency which they use, and like we are using rupee in our country. जैसे हम रुपी यूज कर रहे हैं, पेसोस यूज करते हैं, वो लेटिन अमेरिका में ये यूज होता है पेसोस, और बहुत सारी कंट्रीज है जिसमें पेसोस करेंसी यूज होती है. मैक्सिको में, फिलीपींस हैं, ऐसे अमेरिका की बहुत सारी कंट्रीज हैं जिसमें कि ये करेंसी यूज होती है. तो वो 100 पेसोस की डिमांड कर देता है, एंड ही राइट्स इन दिस लेटर, इन हिज लेटर, गॉड. And he mailed that letter in the letterbox and writes to God in address. So letter received by a postman. This is the character. Now the new character has introduced postman. And postman laughed initially. What he has done? He has written letter to God. इसने तो letter किसको लिखी है? God को. When he take this letter to the postmaster, who is the main officer of that post office, then he reads the letter. And what is in this letter? The letter is demanding 100 pesos. And postmaster does not want to shake the faith of that farmer, so he want to help that farmer, and he collected money from his employees, post office employees, and he able to collect 70 pesos from his office, and he immediately sent that 70 pesos to that address. Lencho was not surprised when he received the letter, because his firm faith was that he will receive definitely that letter. He opened the letter and he counted the money. While he counted the money, it was 70 pesos, and he said, God will not make the mistake. भगवान तो मिस्टेक बना नहीं सकता ऐसी, ये किसने की है? तो suddenly he opened the paper and write that another letter to God. और उस लेटर में क्या लिखता है कि मुझे जो 30 पिसोस जो नहीं दिए हैं वो अभी दे दो, और वो पिसोस जो देना पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज के थ्रू मत भेजना, क्योंकि पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज जो हैं पोस्ट ऑफिस से मत भेजना, क्योंकि पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज जो है बंच ऑफ क्रूक्स हैं. बंच ऑफ क्रूक्स मतलब डिसऑनेस्ट पर्सन्स हैं.